how to see your Discord checkpoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, Discord checkpoint is just available in your profile. You can just open up a Discord app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then you can see the checkpoint option right there. This is the Discord wrap, and you can take a look back at it 2025. However, if it's not available, then it might be because you have not turned on personalization in your Discord. You can turn on the personalization by going to the gear icon in the top right, and then here you can see data and privacy. Tap on it and make sure you toggle on use data to personalize my Discord experience. So make sure you turn this on, and if you have not received your checkpoint after turning it on, you can receive it within a few days. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.